Good morning, student. Today we are going to study economics of class 11th. So my topic is mixed economy. My dear student, when we have to heard mixed economy, we have to think our country first because India adopted mixed economy. You have already aware about what is the meaning of mixed economy. Mixed economy means socialism and capitalism both economic combined together. It means we are following socialism and capitalist economy both as well as. Let's see the what are the merits of mixed economy. Okay, the first merit is that proper allocation of resources. The first point is that proper allocation of resources. My dear student, we talk about the allocation word. It means whatever the resources present for production. Since we have distributed production in two hands, that is private and public in our country. So the distribution of resources according to the demand, which is based on some criteria. So this distribution among the private and public, that is why we can say that it is the proper allocation of resources in mixed economy. Next, economic stability. My dear student, what is the economic stability? Stability means it is a stable position in which the production cannot be maximum or not be overproduction, because it is depends upon the demand, as well as the production cannot be underproduction. So in both circumstances it can be said that economic position is stable. Why economic position is stable? Because due to the we are not going to make overproduction and underproduction. It means that is why we say that it is a stable position, because the two participants in economy, that two participants names are first private and second is public. Next, market system. My dear student, in this market system we have adopted so many types of rules and regulations. So what are the rules and regulations? First we have to understand the price mechanism. The price mechanism, it means in this type of economy the price mechanism depends upon so many factors. First, demand and supply, as well as social welfare also. Okay, so we can also say that freedom of enterprises. Why we can say that freedom of enterprises? It means any enterprises, they can take initiative for production of goods and services. It is a very good thing in this type of economy, but in the capitalist economy it is not given any freedom to take an initiative. Okay, now fourth point, that is called rapid economic development. Why rapid economic development? Because both participant, private and public sector, combine together to make the production. Okay, so whenever they combine, the resources are allocated as well as they produce the goods and services for the whole economy. So we have to say that it is an economic development consideration. So we cannot focus only for the private or public. So both participants make the economic development rapidly. Okay, so my dear student, I hope you understand this topic, because this type of the topic in your exam comes to ask what are the merits of mixed economy. So you have to write these points. Okay, first, proper allocation of resources. Second, economic stability, third, market system, fourth, rapid economic development. You can also take another point from your books, but 4 point you have to write or you have to understand. It is very important for your exam. I hope you understand, my dear student. Thank you.